Hello students, now I'm going to discuss part 2 of conventional source of energy. Here I'm going to discuss about petroleum and natural gas. Now, what is petroleum? The word petroleum has been derived from the two words or the combination of two words, that is petra and oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. That is why petroleum is oftenly called as rock oil. Petroleum is also called liquid gold. Why it is called liquid gold? Because not a small portion of the crude oil, not a small portion of the crude oil that is taken out from below the earth's surface is wasted or kept unused. Everything is used from the crude oil. That is why it is called a liquid gold. Petroleum is found in underground reservoirs in sedimentary rocks. In some wells, crude oil is found along natural gas and water. Petroleum, it is generally found in underground reservoirs in between the sedimentary rocks. Petroleum, it is composed of hydrogen and carbon along with small quantities of oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Now, advantages and disadvantages of petroleum. Petroleum, it has high density. 1 kilogram of oil can generate 10,000 kilocalories of energy. What? 1 kilogram of oil can generate 10,000 kilocalories of energy. Now, petroleum, it has a broad area of application. It can be used as fuel in automobiles, in different machineries. It is used in producing petrochemical products such as synthetic rubber, synthetic fiber, polystyrene, PVC, printing ink, film photography, paints, varnishes, lubricating oils, waxes, etc. Petroleum, it can also be used for power generation in thermal power plants. It can also be used for power generation in thermal power plants. Now come to the disadvantages of petroleum. It is a non-renewable source of energy. Petroleum is a natural fossil fuel and non-renewable, so its availability is limited. With ever increasing demand, petroleum resources are fast depleting away. Next, it contributes to the greenhouse gases. It is very costly. Its costs are quite enough because of its limited supply and high demand. The price of petroleum is very high because of its limited supply and high demand. It causes water pollution during extracting and transporting. How? So when the petroleum is extracting, or when they're extracting it or transporting it through water bodies like ocean and seas, if there is a spill of oil, if there is a spread of oil in the water bodies, it may cause water pollution and may cause death to a number of marine animals. Oil refineries. Crude oil is refined and processed in refineries to produce light distillates like gasoline, LPG, and naphtha. Middle distillates such as diesel and kerosene. Most of the refineries in India are in public sector. The Reliance Petroleum Limited, located at Jamnagar, Gujarat, is the first refinery in private sector. Most of the refineries are located near the oil fields, so that the crude petroleum can be easily transported.
You have a car.
Easily transported to the refineries. Distribution. The entire oil production of India so far comes from Assam Arakan belt in the Gujarat Cambay belt and the Mumbai high offshore region. In order of importance, the main area of mineral deposits in India are Mumbai high, oil fields of eastern region, and oil fields of western region. What are they? In order of importance, the main areas of mineral oil deposits in India are Mumbai High, oil fields of Eastern region, and oil fields of Western region. Mumbai High, it is located in Maharashtra, about 176 kilometers of Mumbai in the Arabian Sea. It is one of the most productive oil field and has a 5 crore tons of oil. Oil fields of Eastern region. India's oldest and important oil-bearing areas in the eastern part of the Himalayas is in Assam, where Digboi oil field is the biggest oil field in India. Oil fields of Western region. In Gujarat, important fields are Ankleshwar, largest field in Khambat Basin. The other coal fields are Kallol, Kosamba, Sanand, etc. Besides, there are a number of potential oil-bearing fields have been discovered in the states of Tripura, Punjab, Nagaland, etc. Now, natural gas. Natural gas occurs in association with mineral oil. It is mainly composed of methane and small amount of propane and ethane. It is also called a fossil fuel. They are formed by the decomposing remain of dead plants and animals, what we call fossil. The gas used for running vehicles is known as CNG or compressed natural gas. Now, liquefied petroleum gas, what we call LPG. The gas supplied to household use is called LPG, and it is a byproduct obtained after refining the crude oil. LPG is a byproduct which is obtained after refining crude oil. Main components of LPG are butane, propane, and ethane. In many places, LPG is being replaced by PNG, piped natural gas, which is not stored in a cylinder like LPG. Compressed natural gas, it is used as the alternative to petrol and diesel for transportation of vehicle. CNG, it is used as the alternative to petrol and diesel for transportation of vehicles. Distribution, it has become an important source of energy in India. Over 3/4, that is 65% of gas come from Mumbai High, and the rest 35% is produced by the states of Assam, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, and Basin. Now, advantages and disadvantages of natural gas. Number one, it causes less damage to the environment. Compared to petroleum or coal, natural gas causes less damage to the environment because it is made up of methane and result in less carbon emission. Natural gas, it causes less damage to environment because it is made up of methane and results in less carbon emission. It is easier to preserve than any other fuel because it can be easily stored and transported to any place through pipelines, small storages, cylinders, tankers, etc. It is cleaner and cheaper. Natural gas is used for producing hydrogen, ammonia, and fertilizers. It is lighter than air. Now, disadvantages of natural gas. Leak of natural gas is tremendously dangerous. Why? Because it contains methane. Because it contains methane, which is more toxic than carbon dioxide. Leakage of natural gas is tremendously dangerous. Why? Because it contains methane, which is more toxic than carbon dioxide. It is a non-renewable source of energy. Natural gas, when used in vehicles as fuel, give less mileage compared to gasoline. Natural gas, when used in vehicle as fuel, give less mileage compared to gasoline. That's all about petroleum and natural gas. I hope you will understand. Thank you.